Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got me a cool new tool. Let's check it out. Alright, well here it is guys. It's a Stihl HT 135. It's a telescoping pruning saw. I spent the last couple days here trimming trees around the property, and I rented a lift, and we used that to trim a lot of trees, but this tree here got left behind, so we're at the back of the property. I got some over there that need trimmed yet, so I went and got me a pruning saw. I thought it'd help out, but I've got stacks of brush all over the place. So we've got the 494 with the root grapple on the front today. We're going to pick up some brush piles and get them stacked up. Do a little pruning with the new pole saw, and yeah, get some work done. Let's go. Alright, well, that was effortlessly done. But I got one more right up there. Right up there. Because they kind of hang down here yet. Ignore my swamp hole pond. But, got some here. See? Like this one right here. Hangs down. And the whole purpose of this was to make it so we could drive the tractor underneath these limbs. I got so many limbs that are hanging low that they were rubbing on the tractor, and we can't have that. So let's clear this brush out of the way. I'll telescope that out a little bit, and then we'll reach the next ones. So let's do that. Alright, so this just has a little twist lock on it. Apparently you just twist it, unlock it, and slide it out. Lock it back in. Make sure it's tight, and we're ready to go again. Alright, well, there you go. I mean, that's quite a ways up. Yeah, I can still touch these leaves here, but I'm getting underneath these with the mower now without ducking, so that'll be nice. So I didn't get a measurement on this, see what it is. That's extended just about fully out. Boy, that's a long dude now. Not too heavy, certainly controllable, but we got some bigger limbs over here. These are pretty low right here. I hit the lawnmower on these every time. This one here is just about eye level. I think we're going to need a little bigger saw. Maybe. That just snakes its way up through the canopy there, but I want to get rid of this one too. And I think that'd be about it. We got a couple here. They're hanging pretty low. We could take care of these with the pole saw. And I got one over here where the bridge is. We're back at the bridge. I got some up here I could trim back too. So, I'm gonna trim them back, and I'll bring you back, guys, back when I get. All right. Well, there you go. Got us a nice clean path back to the bridge now. There's what's left of our big one. It's only about 4 inches across. That's all. Handled it, no problem. We trimmed a little bit back here by the bridge. I still got a little bit more to go. Watch for a video. Someday we're going to replace this bridge. I got a really cool idea for that. So we'll trim some more up in the canopy here and trim a bunch of this out, and we'll put a new bridge in someday. So yeah. And here's our pile from that. Nice big pile. I'm gonna grab the tractor now and grab this baby up and go stack it someplace. So it made our little pile a little bigger, or a little smaller. Made a big pile a little smaller. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I think this is where we're going to stack it. We're right beside the Freedom bunker. So I'll stack it here until the leaves fall off, and then we'll chip it probably over in that direction and make us a pile. So yeah, let's go pick up a few more piles and see what we can get in. Turn that blower off. We're inside the cab now, guys. Tell you what, there ain't nothing like a cab tractor. Here's our next pile. We got a pile here, and we got a pile over there, just the other side of the totes. So let's swing around here and grab these. Yeah, this has turned out to be a really good deal, this tractor. Putting this grapple bucket on here. Goodness gracious. I'm going to try to drive with one hand. Hook us up. Killed our way ahead. Through our... Make sure we're open all the way. Go back, we don't want to tilt it back because then the top of the pile starts hitting. Drive it out over the top here. Like that. Come down on it. Close her up, grab a hold. Bring it up and see how much we got. Yeah, we got a little bit. Come back and get some more. Sorry, I'm not watching the camera, I'm watching where I'm going. Didn't get a very good grapple pull that time, but like I say, we're still getting used to the tractor here and whatnot. I had to turn that blower back on, sorry. I got air conditioning, I'm going to use it. It's muggy out today, I think it's I'm thinking about raining, so try to get some of these picked up. I'd like to get this long load again today, so pick that up, open our claw up all the way. Go. There she came out. We'll give it a little push. A little push. It's sticking out here in the yard. Be careful with pushing on it because this tractor does have a grill guard on it, but it's not much of a grill guard. I don't want to stick one of those sticks through there, so on to the next. Less angle this time. Alright, close her up. Pick it up. Oh yeah, you got a nice big load this time. We got a few pieces laying down there yet. That's firewood. I'll put the bucket on here after I get these limbs. We'll throw that firewood in the bucket and take that up to the firewood pile. So, yeah, that's a good deal, man. Look at this. This is a way to do brush right here, guys. Not even kidding. This kind off to the side. Dumped, open, thing, as Mr. You know who would say. If you watch his channel, referring to Sawing the Sandy. Love that channel. You guys seems like a pretty cool cat, so yeah. Pull up here to show you what we got. Picked all that up pretty good. Right there's our little bit of firewood, so yeah. I'm over here beside these totes. There's a big pile here. Drive into it easily. Trying to watch for little pokey sticks. Alright, I'm going to stop right there. Set the brake. Let's get out and take a look. Alright, we're doing pretty good. That's what I wanted to show you, is these road sticks that poke through. Like this one, see? Coming back here to the grill. Right here's my grill, so this has a brush guard on it. Back up here, this has a brush guard on it, but it really needs something just in here to block it, to keep the sticks from poking through there. So that's why I'm trying to be careful and be ginger with this and pick these up nicely. But this is a big old pile, and I'm gonna pick these up because I feel sprinkles and I want to get a lot of this done before it starts raining. So I'm gonna pick up a few piles and I'll get back with you in a minute. Alright guys, it's actually the next day now. We kind of got rained out yesterday, and today isn't looking any better, so I guess I'm gonna wrap this video up. I really wanted to play with that pole saw some more. I'm sure we will in some more videos, but I got a few trees around yet to do. You can see I got the tractor backed in the barn here, and we're in out of the rain, so I guess that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Gonna cut her a little short, but we'll get back after it when the sun shines. So I'll catch you then. Appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next one.